In this video, I will show you how to highlight dates past the due date in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have pending amounts and due dates in these columns. Now I want to highlight the dates after the due date contained in the E3 cell. Dates are stored as serial numbers in Excel. It starts from the 1st January 1900, which is represented by the number 1. So if we have the number 1 in the cell and we format it as a date, it will be displayed as 1st January 1900, as we can see from this example. Similarly, if we have the number 10 and format the cell as a date, it will be displayed as 10th January 1900 like this. Since the dates are serial numbers, we can directly compare two dates using the greater than or less than sign, just like numbers. To get the dates past the due date, I will compare the dates with the due date using greater than sign to check if they are past the due date. Let's create a formatting rule based on this. Select the range of the cells containing dates. Now go to the Home tab, click the conditional formatting option and then select the new rule menu item. Select the use a formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will compare the first date cell, that is C3, with the date stored in the cell E3 using the greater than sign like this. If the date is past the due date, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. I will also make the E3 cell reference absolute using the dollar signs like this so that it does not change when Excel applies this formula to other cells. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background, select the Fill tab from the top. Select a background color to apply to the date values. I am going to choose the light red color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the date value is after the due date. Click the OK button to close the conditional formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the dates after the due date are now highlighted in a light red color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, so if we modify any highlighted date and make it before the due date, the format will be removed automatically like this. Similarly, if we change any other date to a date after the due date, it will be highlighted in a light red color like this. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, select all the dates again. Now click the conditional formatting option from the Home tab and then select the Clear Rules menu item. Since we want to remove the conditional formatting rule from the date cells, I will select the Clear Rules from Selected Cells option. As you can see, the conditional formatting is now removed from the date cells. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.